Morning Elementary. It's time for another science experiment with Mr. Carl. And today I brought my assistant, Abraham.
Hello.
We're going to make a rain gauge. It doesn't take a lot of supplies. It's a lot of fun and it's something that's very appropriate, especially now that it's springtime and we are getting a ton of rain. For today's experiment, you need scissors, a Sharpie, an empty 2-liter bottle, and some rocks. It could be rocks or sand. You're gonna need about 1 cup's worth, or in this case, there's about 2 handfuls of rocks my assistant Abraham got from our backyard. Let's get started. First step, as you can see here on this plastic bottle, if you look up close, there's actually a line that already naturally came on the bottle. Yeah, right there. I indicated it with this black Sharpie. So what you're going to do is cut off the entire top of the bottle. In this case, I'm cutting about 4 inches from the top. Now that my lid's cut off, or the top part, what I'm going to do is put the ruler and mark off about 2 inches from the bottom. Right about there. So that line, or the 2-inch line, is right where I want to put my rocks or sand up to. And the next step is to add water up to the black line where the rocks or sand stop. Go ahead. Perfect. This line that you see right here represents your saturation line. This is the beginning of where you're going to start measuring the rain. Last step, you're going to take the top part of the bottle that you cut off and you're going to place it on top of the rest of the 2-liter bottle. Now, essentially what you've built here is like a funnel where all of the rain will collect and it will start measuring at the saturation line. And now to measure exactly how much rain we're getting, you take your ruler and you put it up to the saturation line, or the black line that you made before, and what you can do is measure and mark every inch as you go up. Now that I have it marked off, I'm going to label it 1 inch of rain, 2 inches, 3 inches. So now that you have your rain gauge built, you can put it outside anywhere where you think you might get a lot of rain. You can put it on your front porch. I'm actually going to put mine in my backyard outside the window so I can actually see how much rain we're getting the next time we get a rainstorm. Thanks for watching, you all. I'd also like to give a special thanks to my assistant, Abraham.
Peace.